Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. This video will lead us to the demo of ranking spatial data by quality preference. Now we see the abstract of the project. A spatial preference query ranks objects based on the qualities of features in the spatial neighborhood. For example, using a real estate agency database of flats for lease, customer may want to rank the flats with respect to the appropriateness of their location, defined after the aggregating qualities of other features. Example: restaurants, caves, hospital, market, etc. within the spatial neighborhood. Such as neighborhood concept can be specified by the user via different functions. It can be explicited circular region within a given distance from the flat. Another intuitive definition is to assign higher weights to the features based on their proximity to the flat. In this paper, we formally define spatial preference queries and propose appropriate indexing techniques and search algorithms for them. Extensive evaluation of our methods on both real and synthetic data reveals that an optimized branch and bound solution is different and robust with respect to different parameters. First of all, from the large data set, we have to sort the data based on the quality at the particular location, defining the geographic entities in the spatial database system, describing the objects whether which based on the quality sorted. Quality may be subjective or parametric. A customer may want to rank the contents on the database with respect to the quality of their location, qualified by aggregating non-spatial characteristics of other features. Non-spatial ranking can which orders the objects by an aggregate function on their non-spatial values. It consists of attributes that are complementary to the spatial data and describes what is at a point of particular location. The attributes usually represent the properties, which may include socio-economic characteristics from census. Apart from spatial attributes, contains non-spatial informations. Finding the distance between particular location and object locator. GP is still as it examines all objects in D and computes their component scores. Now propose an algorithm that can significantly reduce the number of objects to be examined. Our top K spatial preference query integrates these two types of ranking in intuitive way. Efficient solution for processing the top K spatial preference query. A brute force approach for evaluating it is to compute the scores of all objects in D and select the top K ones. Algorithm BB derives upper bounds scores for non-leaf entries in the object tree and prunes those that cannot lead to the better results, based on the computing range defining the accurate quality measured from the real dataset, and then the user register for the booking service. Now the user have to select the rooms from the different types of it and then give the correct details of that the room is booked. If the details are right, means then the room is booked to the user. Now let us see the demo of ranking spatial data by quality preference. Now press non-spatial ranking. Here the data are sorted on the basis of the quality sorting. In this there are many cities are present. They are Madurai, Chennai, Coimbatore, Cochin, Trivandrum and Kollam. Select anyone from this list and press show button. Now the hotels in the selected city is listed here. This ranking is based on the quality of the objects. And now press Spatial ranking. Here, select any one of the cities from this list. It also contains Madurai, Chennai, Coimbatore, Cochin, Kollam and Trivandrum. And now select the reference point from the selected city. It contains Anna University, University of Madras, Indian Institute of Technology, Tidal Park, Fort St. George, Government Museum, Kanimara Public Library, High Court, Ripon Building, Kabaliswar Temple, Santom Church, Thousand Light Mosque, Anna Memorial, Valluvar Kotam, Vivekananda House, Raj Bhavan. Select anyone from this list and now press the distance calculator. Now the distance from the selected place and the hotels are displayed in the list. This is calculated by pressing the distance calculator button. Now press the branch and bound. Here the cities and the distance of the hotel is displayed. Now press Tab key. Enter any number in the text field and then press submit. The top key will show the top 5 hotels in the reference place. And now press tree. Here press the tree button. Now the hotels are listed on the basis of the rank and then it is viewed as a tree format. This tree format is used to see the ranking. And then now press booking. First of all, if a user is a new user means press new user. The user must enter the name and then enter the password for the user, and then the user have to enter the mail ID for him and enter the credit card number for the user and enter the CVV number for the credit card and then enter the credit card expiry date. Now press submit button. Then the user details are saved in the database and then enter the username. Now enter the password for the user and press submit. Now the username and password are correct. Select any one of the rooms available in the service and then select the type of the room that is present here. There are 6 options. They are single room, double room, twin double room, efficiency room, hospitality room, penthouse suite. Select anyone from this. If you select anyone from this, the cost is calculated for that special room. And now press the next. Now enter the credit card for the user and enter the CVV number of the user. Then press submit. If the details are correct means then the user successfully registered. Otherwise the registration is not success.